city is the perfect destination for water sports enthusiasts. From surfing to paddleboarding, enjoy an action-packed day on the water while exploring the scenic views of the coastline. Halong Bay Luxury Day Cruise with small group buffet lunch. 810 guests are picked up from hotels located in the Hanoi Old Quarter Water Puppet Theater, Hang Da Market, and transported to Halong Bay. 11:30. At Tuan Chau Harbor, guests embark on their journey towards discovering the World Heritage Site. They will traverse through the magnificent landscapes of the legendary bay, featuring numerous limestone islands, including the iconic Fighting Cock Islet, Incense Burner Islet, Dogstone Islet, and Thumb Rock. 1,200 for lunch. Guests will be treated to a buffet lunch served at an appropriately themed restaurant. 13:0. Following lunch, they proceed to Bohan Island, where our tour guide will lead them to either Sung Sat Cave or Surprising Cave, the largest and most spectacular cave within the UNESCO-listed area of Halong Bay. Visitors who prefer a more leisurely experience may opt to remain aboard the cruise, enjoying relaxation on the sundeck. 14. The itinerary continues with a visit to the Luan Cave area. This segment offers visitors the option to participate in either a thrilling kayak adventure or a scenic bamboo boat ride, allowing them to explore the breathtaking scenery and immerse themselves in the natural splendor of the region. 1500 afterward, guests reach Tetap Island, offering them the choice between ascending halfway up the mountain to enjoy a panoramic view of Halong Bay or indulging in a swim on the pristine beach of the island. 1600 upon returning to the cruise, guests prepare for a sunset party, savoring traditional Vietnamese tea, wine, fresh fruits, and light snacks while lounging on the sundeck. 1740 finally, the group departs from Tuan Chau Port. 2100 in the evening, guests arrive in Hanoi. Their trip concludes here. From Catba Lanha Serenity Premium Cruise with lunch. Embark on a captivating full-day cruise from Catba Island to the enchanting Lan Ha Bay, a mesmerizing destination renowned for its emerald waters and breathtaking limestone karst formations. This immersive experience offers a plethora of activities, including kayaking, swimming, and snorkeling, allowing you to fully appreciate the natural beauty and cultural richness of this remarkable region. Begin your journey by arranging a pickup from your hotel in Catba town and proceed to the harbor for boarding. Savor a refreshing welcome drink as you embark on your voyage, accompanied by a comprehensive safety briefing from your knowledgeable guide. This briefing will provide you with valuable insights into the day's itinerary and the unique experiences that await you. Your first stop is the ancient fishing village of Kai Bao, where you will witness the picturesque floating houses nestled along the mountainside. Your guide will share fascinating stories about the Halong Bay Shore Excursion, 5-hour cruise with lunch. Embark on an unforgettable 5-hour shore excursion to Halong Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its emerald waters and towering limestone karsts. This immersive experience takes you through the breathtaking Sung Sat Cave, where glittering stalactites and stalagmites create a mesmerizing natural wonderland. Indulge in a serene bamboo boat ride through Luan Cave, passing by limestone cliffs and tranquil waters, while savoring a delectable onboard lunch featuring fresh local specialties. This flexible tour ensures you experience Halong Bay's highlights without any stress, even if time is limited. Private transport from the cruise port ensures a smooth and hassle-free journey. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a photography aficionado, or simply seeking a relaxing escape, this shore excursion offers a perfect taste of Halong Bay's enchanting beauty.